The local government minister Desmond Mackenzie is taking issue with critics who accuse his government of vote buying. Mr. Mackenzie says he'll be releasing funds this week for drain cleaning work in St. Mary, but he insists this has nothing to do with the upcoming by-election. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell reports.
Just a few days before the by-election in Southeast St. Mary, local government minister Desmond Mackenzie announced that he will be releasing the remaining funds from the drain cleaning program for work in the parish. Some $500,000 remains available out of the $1 million allocated to St. Mary for drain cleaning.
This cannot be seen as buying votes, because if you can buy somebody vote, how much money, how much votes 500,000 can buy? It is, to me, it is totally unacceptable. I should never feel intimidated.
Mr. Mackenzie says the government should not be placed in a position to feel that its actions are an attempt to buy votes. The local government minister says by law, it is the duty of the government to make resources available to each municipal corporation.
And I want to urge the people of St. Mary to understand that we have a responsibility. We were elected to serve the people to the best of our ability. And I don't want to be caught up in any argument about vote buying, because people will make their decisions based on performance.
The opposition has been critical of the government spending in the parish ahead of the October 30 by-election in Southeast St. Mary. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.